Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make app screen scrollable on Samsung Galaxy A27. This home screen style is called the app drawer. If you want to set it, go to settings, but before let me show you how the classic home screen style looks like. So we simply have all of the apps on our screens. If you slide to the upside, nothing happens. And now if you want to make it scrollable, go to settings, find home screen and tap on home screen layout. Currently we have the home screen only, but we need to select home screen and app screens. Then click on apply. We can go back. Now let's take a look. Our home screen looks a little bit different. And now if you slide to the upside, we have this app drawer. And that's how it looks like. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.